Welcome to the Archives Unleashed Toolkit, an open-source platform for exploring and analyzing web archives. The toolkit provides a set of command-line approaches that allow users to investigate large-scale web archives by creating derivative datasets that can be used to fully explore and extract meaningful insights. Web archives are critical resources for researchers studying our digital cultural heritage, providing valuable insights into a wide range of fields, including but not limited to journalism, media studies, cultural studies, history, and computer science. Researchers have used web archival data to examine the evolution of web technologies, track the development of online communities, analyze changes in online discourse, and study the impact of the internet on society and culture. These collections can be found across the globe at institutions, from national libraries to post-secondary institutions to nonprofit organizations like the Internet Archive, whose mandate includes the preservation of born digital and culturally significant data. Web archive collections can contain multiple digital-born objects, including works, an ISO standard file format that houses one or more records, each containing web page data. One of the acute challenges faced by researchers interested in exploring work files is the scale of data, which tends to overwhelm applications outside of high computing processes. The Archives Unleashed Toolkit, or AUT, is an open-source library for Apache Spark that can transform work records into usable research objects for exploration and investigation. For those interested in the technical aspects, AUT uses Sparkling for parsing work records, which provides a powerful combination for scalable data processing. The toolkit can be used in a variety of ways, using Apache's Spark interactive Scala shell, in a notebook with PySpark, or as a library in your own software using Scala or Python. We provide extensive documentation, which includes recipes for common use cases so that you can confidently and successfully build customized scripts for common analytical tasks. In November 2022, the 1.2.0 version of the Archives Unleashed Toolkit was released, making it a stable product available for the community under the broader Mellon-funded Archives Unleashed Project. As of this release, the Archives Unleashed Project provides full support of data frames and resilient distributed datasets to allow for flexibility in processing and displaying structured, semi-structured, or unstructured data. It incorporates Python and Scala implementations to accommodate the programming languages most familiar to scholars working with web archives. It presents unlimited combinations of generating standardized datasets that can be used as scholarly objects to explore 5 functional analysis categories: collection, link, binary, text file analysis, and text extraction. The toolkit also allows users to utilize Spark Submit to create over 20 different derivatives of web archive collections. It adopts the Sparkling library, which was developed as a data processing library for the Internet Archive to improve the speed, efficiency, and reliability of parsing work records. And our enhanced user documentation illustrates dozens of text, network, and binary analytic examples. To get started with the Archives Unleashed Toolkit, please visit our user documentation, which walks through how to set up the toolkit environment and provides dozens of template scripts that can be customized to explore and investigate web archive collections. We also have several examples of computational notebooks that demonstrate different ways to use the toolkit, as well as working with derivatives generated by the Archives Unleashed Toolkit. Our project has collaborated with several institutions to process their web archive collections through the toolkit. If you're looking for ready-to-use data, we have over 3 dozen open access datasets available through our Web Archives for Historical Research group on Zenodo and Borealis. A full list of available datasets, including citable DOIs, are available through our website publications page at archivesunleashed.org/publications. Unlock the potential of your digital collections. Check out the Archives Unleashed Toolkit.